And ensuring security for the election of the 16th National Assembly and the People's Councils for the 2026 to 2031 term does not only take place at voter outreach events or polling stations.
And in recent weeks, a silent but intense battle have been taking place in cyberspace to guarantee the highest level of security for the election. The People's Public Security have established multiple layers of protection, forming a steel shield in cyberspace.
At the Cybersecurity and High-Tech Crime Prevention Division of the Hanoi City's Public Security, technological systems are under enhanced monitoring with multi-layered security deployed to prevent cyber attacks, data leaks, and service disruption. The aim is to keep all election-supporting digital platforms stable and uninterrupted under any scenario.
Hanoi City's public security has deployed rapid response teams to promptly detect and handle any cybersecurity incidents occurring in the area. This may include threats such as DDoS attacks, targeted attacks including APTs, and website defacement. These are common types of cyber attacks that our cybersecurity forces can detect and issue early warnings about.
In addition to protecting information infrastructure, Hanoi City's public security has stepped up efforts to detect and manage election-related misinformation. By combining investigative methods with technology, officers continuously monitor social media platforms such as Facebook and TikTok. Several accounts spreading false rumors have been identified and dealt with in accordance with the law.
First, content that smears or distorts the personal background of candidates. Second, content that misrepresents the election process and its purpose. Third, content that incites boycotts or calls on citizens not to vote. To address this, the Cybersecurity and High-Tech Crime Prevention Division has deployed round-the-clock monitoring and closely supervised cyberspace. As a result, many sources of false and harmful information have been detected and stopped. For posts containing controversial content related to the election of its candidates, the public should exercise caution and avoid commenting on or sharing such posts until independently verified. Watch for signs of misinformation, including unattributed sources, clickbait headlines, and speculative language.
Right here at the headquarters of Hanoi City Public Security, computer screens remain lit day and night, continuously analyzing data flows across cyberspace to detect and respond to unusual activities. Behind this steel shield are police officers quietly carrying out their duties, helping ensure that the upcoming election day takes place smoothly and securely.